Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to talk about the detail of the dashboard in the employees me dashboard. For that, you have to select the employee and come up to the dashboard. Here it gives you the total activity track for the day and the total work time, total on, what are the project that has been tracked time on. If any schedule is there, it is going to show the schedule. There is no schedule, so it is showing you no data there. There is no time off requested. It is if there is any time off for the job site, it is going to show you the time off. The productive and the non-productive URLs, the neutral URLs, the category and the attendance of the today's date. It will also give you the data on the basis of the timeline and the activity graph. It gives you the recent project it has been tracked time on and what is the recent timesheet. It gives you the recent task that the user has worked in. So this is the all information of the dashboard of the user here. Thank you.